Hello, and welcome back to your journey learning Python programming. In today's session, we will learn about GUI programming, graphical user interface. So, what is basically graphical user interface? So, it is like a user and form. Okay, it's one new window will there. I will show you with the examples. And for that, we have to use external library tkinter import, and star is for all the modules from this library. Okay, all the modules from this library. Root is, you can use here any name. I'm using a root. Root equal to tk is a command for the window. And I say root is my main loop. Okay, write this command and run and check. A new window is set. Okay, so this is basically called a window. It's called a frame, whatever name you can see here. Okay, so this is basically GUI programming, and I'll show you how to add more tools on this window. Right. Before that, let's modify this. I want to specify some size from particular file. Geometry is a command name into the quotation with 300 by 300. And okay, and let's run and check. Right click and run. So it's basically 300 by 300. Okay, I want to give the title here, not tk. The command is root dot title. It's a welcome. Okay, welcome is the title. Okay, we have a run button here also. Okay, you can use this also to run this program. Okay, this is a close. Now, let's start with add some tools. First, I want to print a title. Okay, so display purpose, we have a label. We use a label. First is a position where I want to display these tools. So in my root, okay, my window name is root. Basically, you can remember like this in simple words. And we say ask user a name. Okay, we ask user a name. In next line, let's assign the position where I want to show this. Basically, say row 0 and column 0. Okay, let's run and show first the output, and then I explain what exactly this. This is a row 0 and column, and we say like this. This screen is virtually, you think like that, it's divided in row and column. Okay, so basically it's starting from 0, 1, 2, let's continue. Okay, here is also 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so next tools I want to print here. Okay, next tools I want the position is here. So what happened basically? Row 0, but column 1. Okay, let's run the examples. Okay, let's execute, add one more tools and show with the examples. This time I want to getting the data from the user. So I'm using entry tools. Okay, entry tools. The syntax is remain same, position. Okay, and for entry tools, what is the grid? Okay, so now you know that grid row position is the same row where the label is, but in the nearby. So my column is 1. Now right click and run. So this call a entry. This call the entries. Okay, we can input any data here. Fine. This call label for the display. This is the text tools. Okay, I want to add one more example. It's button. Again, the position is root. I want to display the text. Click me. Now. And grid command for that position. Where I want to display. So row is equal to next row. And column is equal to 1. Okay. Now right click and run. So here is my button. Okay, here is my button. It's my entry tools. We can get any entry from the user, and its label is for display purpose. Okay, but here I want to show you one more things. With button, we have a command. Okay, we have a one more things command. So I give the command when I click on the button, I want to close this window. Okay, the command is destroy. Root is my frame name, my window name, and dot destroy. So when it's see me, click me. When I click on here, close the window. Okay, it's close the window. So this is basic introduction for GUI programming. Okay, label, entry, and button. I show you more tools here in next video. Thank you.